Today, I'll show you how to file a USPS claim if your package was lost, damaged, or missing contents. Either the sender or the recipient can start the claim, but you'll need the original mailing receipt, along with proof of insurance, proof of value, and evidence of damage if it applies. Step 1 is to check the filing period. Every USPS service has its own timeline, and the countdown starts from the mailing date on your receipt. For damaged items, the period can be different than for missing packages, so always confirm before moving ahead. Step 2 is to gather your documents. Keep the mailing receipt, proof that the item was insured, and any documents that show the value of the contents, like invoices or receipts. If the package was damaged, hold on to the item, packaging, and photos. USPS may ask to review them later. Step 3 is to file your claim. The quickest way is online at USPS.com. If you can't do it online, you can file by mail instead. Whichever option you choose, hold on to your documents until the claim is fully resolved. Once you submit the claim, USPS accounting services will review it. They'll either approve the claim, pay part of it, or deny it. A decision usually arrives in 5 to 10 days, and you can track updates in your USPS.com account. If your claim is approved, you'll receive payment within about 7 to 10 business days. USPS will only pay up to the actual value of the item, not more. If your claim is denied or only partly approved, you can appeal. The first appeal must be filed within 30 days of receiving the decision, and it should directly address the reasons the claim was denied. You can also include new documents to support your case. If the first appeal doesn't work, you can submit a final appeal within another 30 days. The process is the same whether online or by mail. And that's the process for filing a USPS claim.